Hey guys, my name is Mario Rago with Rago Fabrication, and today we're going to be doing the gas tank skid for the Toyota Tacoma. So let's get started. So to save time and not to bore you out, we simply remove the flimsy plastic stock skid using a 12mm socket. There's simply 4 bolts at the front and back. We're going to install the skid plate the similar way, so you'll be super familiar with it. The longer part goes in the front and the taper goes to the back, just to let you know. And I'll show you how that goes right now. So the install is not very difficult. You're going to go back to your gym days in class, and you're simply just going to hover it above your chest and find those back holes. As soon as you find those back holes, what you can do is just prop your arm up, get your nut. Okay, let's move towards the front. So these are pretty much all 4 threaded in. I'm just going to put my fingers in here and center it before I go ahead and tighten them all. And you want to be careful not to over tighten these because you can break those studs. So let's get them snug. So now that we just went over the install video on the gas skid for the Tacoma, let me tell you about the features that are built into this product. Now, in the front and the back, it's fully angled. So if a rock hits this, it's going to deflect rather than have a blunt 90-degree angle. And it's fully boxed. All the way around 360 degrees, it's fully boxed. When they actually impact a rock, if the product is not boxed, it just wants to continue the bend that was in that product anyway. So we went ahead and fully boxed every part of it no matter what. It takes a long time to fully box it because there's a little bit more welling, but it's totally worth it in the end. You're getting full protection. Now this is 3/16 P&O steel. We also put drain holes at the bottom. It's easy install, as you saw. There's 4 bolt locations. There's a release for everything around the car. The profile is very low. It's not going to drop down farther than it needs to be, causing problems down the road. This product is available at ragofabrication.com, and also follow us on Instagram at ragofabrication.com, our Facebook at ragofabrication.com, our Facebook group at Rago Cool Kids, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.